Hello, my name is Armin. I'm a UWL student with student number 331-39468. I have been tasked with designing a system with an effective seating plan for an aircraft using a plan-driven software development model. For this project, I have chosen the waterfall model as it's very easy to follow, with requirements first, then designing of the system, implementation, testing, and deployment. The system should be very easy for a customer to use and give a user-friendly experience. The constraints of the system are that solo passengers should not be seated in the middle to avoid breaking up a group. A group should be between 2 to 7 passengers. VIP and accessible seating options should be available. An admin should be able to override the system, and the design should be realistic. Here is my user story, which shows the actors, admin and users, with a generalization of group and solo travelers. It shows that a user can do the action of view seats and select seats. However, only the solo passengers can have a seat preference of either window or aisle seat to comply with the solo passenger constraint. The actor admin should be able to override the system. The system should mark VIP and accessible seating and enforce the rules of the passengers. This is my activity diagram of the customer when they first go onto the application. Then, with logging in or registering after that, they will be presented with the dashboard, where they can either book tickets or view tickets and seats. If they select view seats, they will more than likely end the path, and if they select book tickets, they will be asked if they are a group or solo passenger, which the system will enforce specific rules for the type of traveler they are, and then the seats will be booked. Activity diagram showing the actions of the admin if they need to override the system to either mark VIP seats manually, mark accessibility seats, apply rules, modify group or solo passenger seats. Here is the sequence diagram, which shows the steps and time it takes for each action to complete for a solo passenger, like booking tickets, as well as how the system and database reacts to the customer's actions. Here is another sequence diagram showing the actions and time it takes for each step of booking tickets, but this time for a group. Here is the third and final sequence diagram showing the actions that the admin does to perform admin actions, such as marking specific seats and or reassigning passenger seats. Here is a class diagram showing the classes that make up the system, as well as any operations or data being stored, such as in user basic details about the passenger will be stored. Admin has operations like overriding seating rules and marking seats, etc. Here is the flowchart of the system. It shows the design of how the system would work from start to end. Here is an example of one branch. The customer navigates to the web page. The guest greeted with a login page, or if they don't have credentials, they will then register and then log in. Next, they will decide if they want to book tickets. If they say no, they will go to decide if they want to view their seats, and if that's no, then this will end that branch. However, there are quite a few branches in this, but I won't go into detail about all of them.
Hello, welcome to the video demonstration of my web app. So this is the first page we see when we first go onto the app. We'll click on create account. We'll just put this one as Lola. For the email, let's just put l.at uwl.ac.uk. We'll put the password as Lola again. Click sign up, and as you can see, we registered successfully. So we'll just click OK. It takes us to the sign in page. We'll just put the email again, l.at uwl.ac.uk. Put the password, Lola, log in, and success. So we go to the dashboard where we can book tickets or view seats. So if we select view seats, we can see all the seats available. They are in green, the ones that are available. The ones that have been booked are red. We can see the VIP zone in yellow, and we can see the accessible tickets as accessible seats as blue. So if we want to book tickets, just click book tickets at the top left. We'll just do a solo traveler. We'll just enter window. And as you can see, we get a window seat, 14K. Let's just double check it's a window seat. 14K, yep, window seat. So let's do another example. Solo traveler. This time we'll do aisle seat. And it's giving us 8C, which is an aisle seat. Double check that. 8C is an aisle seat. So if you want to do another example, book tickets, we'll do a VIP this time. A 1J, which is in the VIP zone. And then we'll do another example. This time let's do accessibility. Book it 24C. 24C was blue before, but now it's red as we booked it. So, and then we'll do a group ticket this time. We'll put 3, 10G, 10H, 10J, that's all together. Double check that. 10G, 10H, 10J, yep. And then we'll book another group ticket. This time we'll do a group size of 7 because that's the maximum. And they're all together again, as you can see. Let's double check that. Yep, all together again. So thank you for watching my demonstration.